Welcome to Mathema by RC YouTube channel. This is our 11th class of class 7 integer. In this class we discuss the multiplication of integers, that means the positive integers, negative integers. In this previous class we discussed the addition and subtraction of two integers. If you can see this class, go to our playlist of this YouTube channel and see the class 7 class of this part, and obviously subscribe our YouTube channel and stay with us. In this class we see that this is your NCERT books. We screenshot from this NCERT's books that we have from the following numbers, that means minus 5, what it can, minus 5 plus minus 5 plus minus 5, it is minus 15. How it can possible? It can possible because when we draw in a number line, we get minus 5, first it is 0 to minus 5, then we get again minus 5 from this portion, this is minus 10, also we get from this portion we get minus 15. So we can also write this minus 5 plus minus 5 equal to 3 into minus 5. That means 3 into minus 5 we get minus as a sign, and 3 into 5, that means 3 into 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Okay. In similar way, minus 4 plus minus 4 minus 4 minus 4, which types? The times of numbers minus 4, that means 5 times. So when we multiply 5 into minus 4, therefore the addition convert to multiplication. The similar number of addition we can convert to multiplication, and we easily convert this addition to multiplication. Okay, so try this portion. Here we get 4 into minus 8. So minus 8 is 4 times. 8 into minus 2, that means minus 2 it 8 times. 3 into minus 7, that means minus 7 is 3 times. 10 into minus 1, so minus 1 is 10 times. Okay, using this number line, we use this portion by number line, how it can possible. Okay, so here we get minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 minus 4, that means 5 into minus 4, that is minus 20, and we see in this number line minus 4, that means minus 8, minus 12, minus 16 and minus 20. So minus 3 what can it be? It be minus 3, that means 4 into minus 3, that means 4 times minus 3, and we get minus 12. Minus 7 plus minus 7 plus minus 7, that is called 3 into minus 7, and we get minus 21. So this is the part of this math. We can easily find out this portion. In this portion, suppose in the first try this, we can conclude this portion as this part. The number line here is 0. Okay, here is 0. Then minus 1 in left hand side, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and dot karke minus 8. Okay, then we get here minus 16, here we get minus 24, also we get minus 32. In between the others number. So first we move to minus 8, that means 0 to minus 8, then we move to minus 8 to minus 16, then we move to minus 16 to minus 24, then we move to minus 24 to minus 32. That means there we get minus 32. Okay, in similar way you can put minus 8 into minus 2 and this portion. Okay, so here try this. Okay, 15 into minus 16, what it can be? Therefore we get here in the similar case we multiply both the part and here is the sign minus. Okay, sign is minus and we multiply 15 into 16. How it can possible? 15 into 16. 15 into 16, that means we can multiply in this 2-digit numbers by in this way 6 into 5, that means 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 6 5 ja 30. Okay, this is called 30. In hand 3 is used. 6 1 ja, first multiply this and then this. 6 1 ja 6, 6 plus 3, this is called 9, and cross this portion. Then in 1 5 is a 1 and 1 1 is a 1 5 is a 5, 1 1 is a 1. So here we use 0, 9, 5. When we add 5 plus 9 we get 14 and 2 240. So minus 240 is the result. In a similar way we can multiply this portion. Suppose here we multiply 32, so minus 32, that means here we use minus 32. We multiply 32 into 21. First we multiply 1 by 32, that means 2 and 32, plus 2 by 32, that means 2 2 4, 3 2 is 6, that means 2 7 6, 6 7 2. These are the result. Okay, in similar way we also try this minus 42 into 12 and minus 55 into 15 and also the part. Okay, so in general part, for any two positive integers AB, we can say a into minus b equal to minus a into b equal to minus into ab. That means here when we multiply a positive integers to a negative integers or a negative integers to a positive integers, therefore we get minus sign and we multiply two numbers only, a into b. Okay, these are the part. Okay, this is the similar portion. Okay, so now multiplication of two negative numbers. When we multiply, here we multiply one positive, one negative numbers, we get the get this form. Okay, the result is minus. When we multiplication of two negative numbers, suppose we multiply by minus 3 and minus 2. So these are the portion, is an interesting portion. Observe the following. Okay, minus 4 into 4, minus 3 into 4. In this similar way, in this portion, in this previous way, minus 3 into 4, when we get minus 3, minus 3 into 4, we get minus 12. How? Because here is minus, so therefore minus 4 into 3, that is 12, minus 12. Okay, so we descending this portion, that means minus 3 into 3, that means minus 9. Okay, therefore minus 9 is the form minus 12 of minus 3. When we calculate, this is subtraction, minus 12, that means minus minus plus 3, and this is called minus 9. We get, so minus 3 into 3, that means we subtract minus 3 from minus 12. In similar way, minus 3 into 2, we descending this term, 4 3 2, that means minus 6, and minus 6 equal to minus 9. Here we get minus 9 minus of minus 3. Now in this order, minus 3 into 1, that means minus 3, and minus 6 minus of minus 3. minus 3 into 0, that means 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, that therefore 0, that means 0, and minus 3 of minus 3, we get 0. Therefore, we get the 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, then we get minus 1, minus 2. But when we get minus 1, that means this is the portion where 0 minus of minus 3 in the similar way, 0 minus of minus 3. So, 0 minus of minus 3, we get plus 3. So, 0 minus of minus 3, this is called plus 3 and this is 3, plus 3. So, here we get minus 3 and minus 2, we get 3 minus of minus 3, that means 6. So, here we get the similar, therefore, we observe the product is changed. That means the product is changed when two negative numbers we multiply, the result is positive. When we multiply a positive numbers and a negative numbers, the result is negative. When we multiply a negative numbers and a positive numbers, the result is negative. But when we multiply a negative numbers by a negative numbers, we get the result positive. Okay. So, based on the observation, complete the following: minus 3 into minus 3, how it can possible? Minus 3 into minus 3, that means plus 9. Minus 3 into minus 4, that means 12 plus 12. We observe this product in the fill in the blanks. We also fill in the blanks in the same way. Okay. Minus 4 into 4, that means 16. Okay. Minus 4 into 4, that means 16. Minus 16, and then minus 4 into 3, that means minus 12. Minus 12, how we can get? Minus 12 equal to minus 16 plus 4. Okay. So, minus 4 into 2, that means minus 8, and minus 8 is get minus 12 into 4. So, this is called minus 4 when we get minus 8 plus 4. Okay. 0 when we get minus 4 plus 4, and plus 4, 0 plus 4. Yes, and this is called 8 when we get 4 plus 4. This is called 12 when we get 8 plus 4. So, from this pattern we also observe this way, that means minus 3 into minus 1, 3, that means 3 into 1. This is and 3 into 1, because this is minus 3 into minus 1, that means 3, that means 3 into 1. So, when we multiply minus into minus, we get plus, that means there is plus into plus, we get plus obviously. So, here we the sign is obsolete, that means minus minus in the sign term we get in this multiplication minus a plus. Okay. So, minus 3 into minus 2, that means 6, that means 3 into 2. Minus 3 into minus 3, 9, that means 3 into 3. Minus 4 into minus 1, that means 4, that means 4 into 1. Minus 4 into minus 2, that means 4 into 2. Okay. So, this is 8. Okay. So, minus 12 into minus 3, that means 4 into 3, and this is called 12. Here the conclusion part. So, observing this product, we can say that the product of two negative numbers is a positive integer. We multiply two negative numbers as whole numbers and put positive sign before the product. Okay. So, 10 in minus 10 into minus 12, that means plus 120. Minus 15 into minus 6, then plus 60. So, minus a into minus b, that means a into b. The sign is obsolete. So, minus 31 into minus 100, that means 31 into 100, and therefore 3100. In similar way, minus 25 into minus 72, that means 25 into 72, and we get, suppose here we multiply this 25 into 72, 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35, 35 36, cross 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 2 7s are 14, so we get 0 6 4 0 1 and 7 4 7 3 7 3 4 7 8, and we get 1800. In this similar way, try this portion 83 into minus 28. Okay, so 83, simply multiply 83 into 28, what it the result. Try this in this worksheet. Okay, if you like this class, please like button. If you have any query, please comment here. Also subscribe our YouTube channel, tick the bell notification, join our Telegram group. In this description box you get the link. In this next class we see you again. Thank you.